It is pertinent to mention that Advocate has a gold round his neck for Masters in Convergent Journalism. A social worker in his full bloom, one of the founding members of the Wall of Kindness, Bharat. That is too much dynamism and diversity in a single person, I would guess. Introducing to you the book. And without further dawdle, ladies and gentlemen, the title of the book, Of Writing Diverse Genres, is the title. And a title for sure suggests you that the author hasn't kept his pen stuck to a particular genre of writing and has gone diverse with his ink. A book that encompasses scientific aspect of the COVID pandemic, its social and economic impact, to the legislation of the environment and its protection. From happy sad memories of his friends from the campus, to being emotionally connected to his mother-like elder sister. Advocate hasn't failed in teaching us about the dynamism of the legal aspect we could have by introducing the ombudsman from across the continent and then highlighting the freedom of press with historical correlations. The prisoners and their rights to be dealt with like humans is not left out either. We sure
the same situation with a slight difference. Slight difference is this time you are sitting with this person who you have to push. You're not pressing any lever or you're not pressing any button. You have to physically push this person. Now, how many of you would be happy because the third core competency of our education philosophy is communicating effectively. That is how you speak and how you write. And Amir has written it mellifluously and with cadence and potency that is required. It's pretty structured. All three chapters are structured. And my suggestion in that would be that all of you.
To begin with, Mehboob Saab has been my teacher. So sharing space with Mehboob Saab is a big thing for me. And as far as today's event is concerned, it is a book launch of my friend, close friend rather, Amir. We have been together in the university for 5 years, and afterwards we pursued a master's in political science together. When I was handed over this book, I was going through the contents of the book. I found it very good because it does not deal with only one specific topic. Human brain has a tendency to jump. It jumps from one thing to another thing and second thing to the third thing. So I found it quite interesting that he has incorporated the different topics in it, which makes it quite interesting. And I wish him luck for his future.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulil amin, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in.
Says that before we come up with a solution, it's much important to look into the problem very deeply, to dive deep into the problem, and to go.
इंग्लिश का भी और हिस्ट्री का भी, जैसे हिस्ट्री से मुझे कुछ वाक़यात याद आ रहे और वहाँ पे धूम मची कि हर किसी ने बोला कि शहजादा जो है शिकार करके आया है। तो जब से उसका नाम शेर मैसूर पड़ा, तो जब उसकी माँ ने सुना कि आपके बेटे ने इसको बोला, सेम इज द केस विद दिस। मैं ये दो चीजें ये मिला रहा हूं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इस रेस्टोरेंट से थोड़ी दूर मुझे वो दिन याद आ रहे हैं, एक स्कूल हुआ करता था, ग्रीनलैंड स्कूल, जहां एंड आई हैव बीन प्रिविलेज्ड कि मैं उस स्कूल का बेसिक टीचर था। और आज के इवेंट को देखकर मैं ये बात कह सकता हूं कि हमारी जो मेहनत है रायगा नहीं गई। जो चीज मुझे सबसे ज्यादा खलती थी उस जमाने से लेकर अब तक, वो सोसाइटी में इंटेलेक्चुअल्स बहुत, हमारे सोसाइटी में डिग्री होल्डर्स बहुत है, लेकिन हमारी सोसाइटी में सबसे ज्यादा कमी वो राइटर्स की। दिस राइटिंग हैज ड्राइड अप। और एक जनरेशन में तो मैंने देखा, जब मैं इनके जैसा था तब तो ये बिल्कुल था ही नहीं कुछ। और हमारी उसकी वजह ये है कि हमने जो अपनी एजुकेशन को लिया है, हमने एक ही पॉइंट, वन पॉइंट एजेंडा, टू गेट द गवर्नमेंट जॉब। इफ यू गेट द गवर्नमेंट जॉब, यू आर एवरीथिंग। इफ यू डोंट, यू आर नथिंग। आपकी ना एजुकेशन काम आएगी, ना किसी चीज में आप कहीं पे हो, और आपको एक सिंपल लेबल लगाया जाता है, आप एक अनएम्प्लॉयड, आप एक बेरोजगार। और इससे हम एक इंसान की सारी सलाहियतें खत्म कर देते हैं। जो सवाल इन्होंने मुझे पूछे, मैंने सोचा जब लोग मुझसे ये चीज अदर देन टीचिंग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, अब वो मेरे स्टूडेंट बड़े हो गए, तो मैंने सारी चीजें जानता हूं, लेकिन इनकी वजह से। और उसके बाद मैंने एक और चीज देखी, पेपर लेटर कश्मीर में इनका आर्टिकल आया। आप यकीन मानिए, मैंने वो आर्टिकल कम से कम 20 बार, बस्ती में एक ऐसा नौजवान जो कुछ लिखने, जो मेरा बरसों का ख्वाब था कि हम कुछ लिखें, हम में से कुछ बने। और मलिक आमिर साहब, आज मैंने बुक नहीं पढ़ी, मुझे बुक नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं बुक में क्या। और ये तो आप देख रहे हो, छोटी सी चीज है, अभी आप देखिए आगे आगे वो चीज निकलती कितनी है। यू सी दैट, ये तो पहली, क्या कहते हैं वो तो छोटा सा कदम है। अभी ये बिलाल साहब के बकाल, ये तो अभी बिखरी हुई चीजें जमा कर रहे हैं। जब ये समेटेंगे ना, तब आप देखेंगे रियल आमिर साहब कैसे आएंगे आपको बाहर। मैं इस चीज पे इन्हें मुबारकबाद देता हूं, और ये क्रेडिट इनको जाता है तकरीबन हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत सारे सालों के बाद किसी एक अपनी कम्युनिटी को और अपने पूरे इस मजमे को मुबारकबाद देता हूं। फी अमान।
Whatever you said, I'm really touched. It was really impressive. It's really impressive. Now coming to the point, now coming to the star boy of this event, Mr. Malik Amir Saab. I congratulate you. I genuinely congratulate you for what you are doing. You are touching the skies. You are. We are really proud of you. And being an author, we have a lot of things in our mind which we cannot communicate to others. We are not able to communicate that. The magic of being an author without knowing how to speak. This is the beauty of being an author. And time and again we come to know about Mr. Malik Amir. He is in news every day that his papers are being
words of wisdom you had in your book, and time has come to take your leave from this podium. But before I do that, I will
highly thankful all of you having such a dignitaries for here, especially Mr. Producer and all such dignitaries, Ms. Nurullah Khan, my mentor, I really future now, future of future as well, and all others sitting here who by one or other way have a very deep impact in my life since I'm an operating stage of my life to publish this book, and having such dignitaries is really a privilege for me. I must compliment my beloved father, Mr. Ghulam Marisa, for his grandson. I'm really proud of those who are here. because by one or other way, you all have impact over my life. So far as this book inauguration, call it, or book launch is concerned, this is the story long back. Since 2014, I have been writing for many local newspapers. I still remember when my first article was published back 2012. That was Kashmir Monitor, and it was all about Kashmir, the highest number of accidents we witness nowadays in Kashmir. It was all a bad impression, so I can't write. I gave up first. Second time, they revoked it back and told that it got rejected. There is no place in the newspaper that it can't be published because there are so many grammatical mistakes and other mistakes as well. I got it back, but unfortunately, again it got rejected. So it was really for me a big challenge, and I just built it. I just faced this challenge, and I took promise, and I just as a challenge, and I started writing. During the course of lifetime, I just thank you so much. I wish you all the best and good health. Thank you.
नहीं तो बाकी आपको पता है क्या